In this video, we review the Cit Bank Savings Connect account. Have you used the Cit Bank Savings Connect before? What was your experience? Leave your Cit Bank Savings Connect review in the comments section below. Cit Bank Savings Connect account offers a compelling blend of high yield and accessibility, but like all financial products, it has its strengths and weaknesses. One striking fact is its competitive annual percentage yield, APY, which frequently outpaces traditional savings accounts. Another notable feature is the lack of monthly maintenance fees, a significant advantage for budget-conscious savers. However, prospective account holders should weigh the nuances of this product carefully before committing. The Savings Connect account is designed to maximize earnings by offering a tiered APY structure, rewarding higher balances with more substantial interest rates. This makes it particularly attractive for those who can maintain consistent, sizable deposits. Moreover, the account has a relatively low minimum opening requirement, allowing more individuals to take advantage of its high-yield opportunities. The absence of monthly maintenance fees further enhances its value, ensuring that interest accrual isn't undermined by recurring charges. Account holders also benefit from Cit Bank's entirely digital infrastructure, which includes a user-friendly mobile app and online banking platform. However, Cit Bank Savings Connect account comes with its challenges. Being an online-only bank, Cit lacks physical branches, which may deter customers who prefer face-to-face service. While it refunds up to $30 in monthly ATM fees, the absence of proprietary ATMs can be a drawback for those who frequently withdraw cash. Additionally, the account's APY requires customers to meet specific deposit criteria, which may be less convenient for individuals with fluctuating savings patterns. Customer service availability is limited to certain hours, which might not suit users who require 24/7 support. The Savings Connect account is ideal for tech-savvy savers who prioritize earning high interest and are comfortable navigating a digital banking ecosystem. While its strengths lie in competitive rates and fee-free structures, its limitations, such as restricted ATM access and branchless operations, may not align with every saver's preferences. Balancing its advantages against these constraints is key to determining its suitability for individual financial goals. For those who can navigate its digital-first approach, the account offers a robust solution to maximize savings.